Nadi has always been one of the worst affected towns whenever there's non-stop rainfall. And although people have been moving to safety over the past few hours, the situation is expected to worsen as more people face evacuation.
It was a little too late for some residents of Nawaka in Nadi who had to be evacuated to the St. Andrews Primary School Evacuation Centre in the early hours of yesterday morning. The gush of floodwaters led to the early evacuation of some, the earliest evacuation at 3 a.m. Lithiangalova and her family were evacuated around about the same time and could not save their furniture and other house items. Rajesh Kumar has lived in Nawaka Back Road for the last 13 years. He says flooding is not new to the area.
We have suffered flood twice, way back in 2009, and this is the second time that the water has went inside our houses, and all the people of Nawaka has suffered that. And most probably, I think, the weather station's reports was not up to date. We have not had much the flood warnings and things like that. And most probably we have noticed our area is becoming very lone-line and very risky.
He too could not save most of his household items.
We tried our best to cover some sort of we have brought in food items especially, and some items for our kids, and our mattresses and pillows and all this stuff to have it shelter here in Andrews. And this is the time we seek government assistance. We don't know for how long the water will stay inside our house.
Areas that are underwater include the Nadi Market right up to the Catholic Church, Korodiri Settlement, Nawatikuma Settlement, Saravi Settlement and Narewa Village. Those who experience flooding in their communities are to contact the District Officer Nadi on phone number 6700 101 and 6700 143 to allow for the activation of evacuation centres closest to them. Sherry and Wilson, Fiji One News.